Greetings, Mark Brownie. We're going to be looking at how we can create a Google Classroom. Yes, very important. So, for instance, here actually going back to school, you want to create a classroom so that you can ask student, right? And in the workplace, I wanted to do that. I'm going to guide you through that particular process. Right there, you can see right up here, you have different Google Classroom, but you want to create your own. So first you have to sign in, right? If you notice, you have a line for that right here, and you have a plus. What you wanted to do is click on this plus. When you click on the plus, you notice it says join class and it says create class. So what you want to focus on is to create class. So I want to click on it. If you notice right up here, so use Google Classroom at school with students and all that. So this is what it's going to actually prompt you to do, right? Is you have read and understand the notice right here. So what you wanted to do, check this right here. Now when you check this right here, notice it say continue or go back. Right, you want to click on continue. Now when you click on continue, this is where it take you to this section, subject and all of that. So you can click right here. You wanted to name the class. So you can name the class art class right here. You can put the subject right here, what you want to teach. So you can say graph during that time right here. You can actually put in the section, which section, or you can put in like a room six, depends on how the building stay, otherwise, right? You can put in even the section right here. When you finish, you can come right here, you click on the word create. Now, when you click on your create, what will happen? You notice right here, processing. Now, this itself is a brand new class that you create, right? If you notice here, press you have stream, you have classwork, I have people, I have grade. So this is for the stream page. So what you can do right here is write an announcement to the class. Definitely. So if you don't like this particular section you see up here, you can actually change it. So this is for the class code. But if you want to lock off the class code, display it, you can click right here. Display the class code, you know, so you can copy it, you can close it. If you want to disable it, you can click on this, you put that right here. To show that you can copy the link, right? It will show that you can actually copy the class, right? And right down here, show that you can actually turn off the code right here. This will remove the class code and the invite link. So you can come right here, you can turn it off, you notice, just like that. But if you notice you don't want this, you can come right up here, that's a custom mods. If you notice right up here, so you can actually change the color, just the same. And then come right here, so you can save, right? If you notice, color change, but then if you come back and customize, right? If you notice, you can select photo, you can upload your own photo. Because in some school, you have to create your own and put up, right? So if I select photo, this is what happened. You notice, this is general I can sketch from. If I click on English, you notice, these are what there. If I click on maths and science, so if it's a maths class, you can actually put these stuff. All right, this is the art class. Now this is what? Yeah, sports. Right here, I have also others, but it's an art class that I create. So if you notice, because I create the art class, right here, I can actually click on one of these. So far, yes. When I click on it, definitely click on this art class. Let me shift this. You can come right here to select. Right, you notice right up here. Right here, so I'm going to click on the word save. Definitely, notice when I click on the word save, you notice the art class right here. But if you want to edit this word, you can also do the same thing right here. So you want to write an announcement, so you click right here. Now when you click right here, now here to show it all student. But if you click right here, this shows some class actually there. So far is to write an announcement to show that you can get a file right from Google Drive. You can get from YouTube. You can upload for your computer. You can actually come right here and put a link. So I'm gonna announce something. So I'm gonna say welcome right here to the All right, let me delete one of them. New, right here. All right, let me move that here. Now you have that now, the option that you have. You notice it show that I can post right here. There's a down arrow. You can click. You can save it to draft. You can schedule a post or you can post it. Right, so definitely if you have something you want to say to the class, you can actually schedule it. I can literally post it just the same. So if I come right here and I click on post, everybody in this class can really see it, you notice? So this itself is my post in the new classroom. Right, so if you go to classwork right here, this is what you will see. Only the word create, but when you click on create, you will see assignment right here. You will see quiz assignment, you see question, material, repos, and topic. So these are all I want. Definitely can actually do the assignment. Right, when I click on the assignment, you notice right here, show that I can put in a topic. Right here, you can put in the instruction that you wanted to do. You can take something from Google Drive. You can also come right here, get something from YouTube. When I click on this one, you notice you can get from Google Slide, you can upload, can link. But if you come over here, to show if you want to send to a particular student, you can do that. Put in the point. If you notice, you can come right here and put in the due date, just the same. If you notice right here, you don't have any topic, you can click and get a topic. Or you can put in a rubric account to it. And when I finish, what you can actually do, you can come right here, notice, you can assign it, you can schedule it, or you can save the draft. When you finish that, you can come right to this X and close it. Then you go back and create again. Notice this is quiz assignment. You want to click on quiz assignment. Now when you click on quiz assignment, you notice it's a type here and it's an instruction. So when you type instruction, you can either bold it, italic it, and so forth. If you notice right over here, you can upgrade the point right here, due date, and topic. So this is a blank quiz. You can actually click on it. Right, when I click on it, you notice right here, question respond. Right, so far, you can type the question right here, you type a topic right here, I can click and put whatever quiz before the blank and then put the description and all of that. I notice I can insert photo to it. If you come right here, you can actually change it to short answer right here. And if you come back again and you click it, you can put it right here to paragraph. You notice long text and all of that. So when I finish now, definitely you can close back that and twist it right here in that particular section. When I finish, you can come right here. You can either schedule it, save it to draft, or discard it. When I finish, you can come right here and close it. Right? You click on create again. Question. You want to ask the class a question, you just click. Notice right over here. You choose the class, the amount of student, the point, right here, the due date, and the topic, just the same. Right, if you notice the student can reply to each other, you can also uncheck that if you don't want that. Student can edit answer if you don't want them to do that. So right here, you're gonna ask the question right here. And then you're gonna put in instruction. Right? So you can actually get the instruction from right here, the thing that you wanted to question you wanted to ask. Now if you come right up here to notice it's a short answer, you can click. Right here, you can put it to multiple choice, just the same. I can come back again, you can change it, just the same. So when you finish, you can either come right and click pointer here, you can schedule it, I can discard it. When you finish, you can come right here, close it. Now click back again from create. Now this is material. Now this material, now what you do with material, definitely, is like you want something, give them something to study, you use this section in material. So you put in the title, and then right here, put in the description. You can attach anything, any file from it, put it up, right? So if you come right here, this will take you directly to your desktop. So if you want a file up there, it will show, you can drag any file, any from any one of these stuff here. So I'm going to take it from my desktop, so I'm going to click on browse. Now when I click on browse, notice this is where it take me. So this is a file that I want. So I click it right there. Notice when I click it right there, notice it open and cancel. I'm going to click on open. Notice right here, actually showing the file right here loading. So 1.9 megabyte. That's the size of the file. Alright, now there you go. So this is it for the file. But if you notice post no highlight, you have to put something right there. You notice it show you say can post. Let's click right here, show that can post. You can schedule this material and all of that. And if you want, this is the wrong one, you can come like this and click it and delete it. And if finish, you can go like that. Now when I click on this one now, you notice it's a repost. When I click right here, anyone that is a class, or if you don't have a class, I post something before, you can actually repost it again. Alright, I click, no topic. So I wanted to add a topic, so I click right here. You notice it's a topic right here. So I'm just gonna put maths right here. And I'll put right here maths class. And it's why topic. It's important that if when a student come into the class, they know exactly a maths class. I can also put the date when what I'm going to do. So right here, it's add topic. Right here, if you notice right here, it's a maths class right here. Right? I can go back again and click on create. I can put topic. Right? Right. So and then I can click right here. If you notice that the maths I have English class. But what if I want the maths class up by the top and English class on the bottom? I can go either way. I can click right here. Notice the rename class, delete class, topic class. Right here, so you can move down. When I click on move down, you notice the English class down here and all of that. Alright, very important. If I go to create and I click on material, right, look exactly what will happen. Right, I was asked right here topic. So if I come right here and I click, you notice it shows I can add the math class right here. I can add the English class right here. So that's it much easier for you when you're actually doing all of that. So very important. So these people right here, so you are the teacher right here. You can also add another teacher or you can add another instructor. You can add maybe the manager or whatever to it. So when I click right here, this is what come up. Email address. I can actually put the person email address and I press to invite. Just the same. Alright, for student now you can click right here. You put in the student email address and you press invite. Just the same. So the grading system right here, you can actually grade the person here now. Notice there's no grade here. Right, you can invite student right here so far. Alright, so this is your new Google Classroom. So you can make a lot of adjustment to it if you really want. Right? So hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to share it. Remember to like. And remember to subscribe. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.